rocket. Yeah. Kaiden's has more decorations because he likes to add decorations. So let's just get to the video. Kaiden, what materials will we need?
A permanent marker.
Okay.
Right here.
And okay, so the first step is to draw a big make two lines coming down at first.
Alright.
And at the top you want to make like a big hill.
I'm going to draw one so small.
Okay, but that's good. And then over here, we'll have to make a curved line that's curving in.
There.
And we're gonna do the same on the bottom. And then after that, we'll have to sort of like make a dress or a skirt for the
rocket?
Yeah, for the rocket.
But that's weird. It looks like it's wearing the dress.
And we'll have to make it curve in again.
Curve it.
And then we'll have to make a line down here. And we'll have to make a semicircle.
Yeah.
Good job.
Like a happy face?
Yeah, sort of. And over here, we're gonna draw 3 dots. Three circles.
Like an alien?
Yeah, sort of.
Like these are the eyes and this is a whole big head with all the brain and this is the mouth?
Yeah, and then for the semicircle, we'll have to draw 3 dots inside too.
Like it have a lot of eyes and also...
Okay, 2 dots will work perfectly fine.
And also it have no mouth.
And then over here, we'll have to make a curve, but it's curving out, and we'll have to make it connect down here. And do the same for the other side.
Mine will look so weird.
It looks great.
Oh.
And then now we can draw some like 2 rectangles on the side.
Right? It looks like you're the mommy rocket of the baby rocket.
Yeah. And then over here you can draw stripes or something. And then you can just draw like 1 line or something. And then we have to draw the fire. So we just need to make sort of like a squiggly line out. Okay, you're drawing the stripes. So you're gonna draw like a squiggly line out. And we're gonna make it like pointy, and we're gonna make it stop like in the middle, sort of. And we're gonna keep on going like that. So it's like out and then in with squiggles. Okay, that looks like a really big fire. And then I'm gonna actually add more decorations. Okay, so guys, over here it looks a little plain. So you guys can add like a person inside. So I'm gonna add a person inside.
I'll add myself.
Okay. You can draw a stick man.
A stick man,
Yeah, this is a stick man. This is a stick man.
And your hair should be a little bit pointy line.
This is how your hair should look like, okay? If you're a girl, for a stick man.
For a stick girl, you mean?
Yeah. Okay. You can draw like designs like however you want. You can draw extra circles or anything. But we're just doing it like this. Do you want to add extra circles on top, or do you want to just leave it like that?
I'm trying to add some wings so it can glide better. Or land off better.
Okay, you can.
Like an airplane. Let's see, how shall my wings go? I know. Just add it like this. And then we do it at the other side there.
So guys, this is how it should look like. Oops, Kaiden's not done yet.
It's glider. I need to add a little bit of lights here for my decoration for the wings. There. Now I'm done with my rocket. Oops, I forgot to add 3 circles up there.
You don't need to, it's just for decoration. So guys, this is how it should look like at the end. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!